Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna be going over the Platis Thin Verk, like a follow-up video on this thing. So basically, I got this one with the what's it called? With this Verk. I think it was like a month ago or something like that. So yeah, class Anthony sent this to me with this. Two of them, but I'm gonna be reviewing this in a later video, right after this. But first, I want to talk about this one. And I've got to say, at first I wasn't a fan of it, but it grew on me very fast. Mainly because this one's a bit like, I don't know how to say it, quieter, and more like the sound is more like dampered than like the other stuff. I mean, I do love the crunch, but sometimes I do like it quiet. I am gonna talk to him. Maybe he can like somehow make a fully quiet one where there's no crunch. But yeah, like this, like I don't know, clicks are just crisp. It doesn't fall off. So I think what he uses is like 2 weak magnets in the middle, and then 4 strongs on the edges. And like so far, I love it. I use this thing all the time. You can do all kind of tricks with it. My overall thoughts on this thing is it's amazing. If you see one available on the site, I mean, like I haven't seen this one for sale. He just has the regular, the mini, and then the track Verk. So yeah, but I'm sure if you really want one, you can message him and he'll make you more. But yeah, this is definitely a top one for me, top 3 for sure. I am more of a free floater guy. Like you guys can see how easily I can just do tricks with this, moves and stuff like that. But overall, like the shape, the thickness, I dig. So this one definitely gets an approval for me, for sure, no question about it. This is kind of like a follow-up view slash ASMR. But one sec, let me get the stuff for this. All right, here we go. The weight is 28.3 grams. I don't know why I brought this here. I'm not opening anything. But all right. Length is 47 millimeters. height is 14, width is 29. Not bad. And like the plates, so this side is like kind of like ovals around his logo, and this side is like ovals sideways with like lines, with like smaller ovals inside of them, and then like dented in here, and then his logo. So it's not like, what's it called, it's not made like that mistakenly. It's done on purpose for it to slide way easier. Yeah. It's great. Like, I would definitely recommend one. So yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Definitely a top 3 Gladys fidget from me, and definitely recommend it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out Anthony's stuff down below, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.